Hello friends, welcome my channel. Today we are going to learn and write best speech on Independence Day. Let's start speech. Good morning everyone. My name is Narayani. Today is 15th August. We are celebrating Independence Day. I wish you all very happy Independence Day. We got freedom on this day. We hoist national flag on this day. We sing our national anthem. I am proud to be an Indian. I love my country. जय हिंद, जय भारत. थँक यू. अगर तुम्हाला माझे व्हिडिओ आवडले असेल तर लाईक करा आणि शेअर करा, सबस्क्राईब करा. थँक यू.